Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: air dam, black lamps, dual cargo area lamps, grille, chrome surround, paint, solid door locks, power windows, power with driver express down, air conditioning, single zone manual front climate control, remote keyless entry, with 2 transmitters, panic button and content theft alarm, steering wheel, leather wrapped with theft deterrent locking feature and cruise control, electronic with set and resume speed, located on steering wheel. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.